Hi all. Further to yesterday's video regarding the saddlebags and the burn, what happened due to the exhaust. So I was able to go ahead and pull these straps really backward and lock them here, right here, so that it doesn't move any forward. So now with this setup, we have this much of clearance here, so I think which is going to solve the problem. But again, when you load it up, you better take a look at the clearance and preferably use the bungee cords right from here to get some support back, pair of bungee cords to secure these bags more tightly. So let's see what's the damage from yesterday's incident. Okay guys, so this is the damage from the exterior. So I'm going to take this to cobbler or right to the saddlebag manufacturer and see if this particular piece can be replaced or repaired. So this is the thing. Further to which, so now we are going to go ahead and try clearing this thing up from the exhaust. So it's a little bit sort of flaking out, but I think we are going to go with the regular approach in terms of using an oven cleaner. So oven cleaner typically has some chemicals which is available in this particular SIF fluid, which is available in the market, so you can use this. And this is later on I'm going to use a metal polish to get the shine back. It's called Autosol. Typically I use this for chrome sections. So in terms of procedure, I'm going to rub this particular liquid onto this portion and turn on the bike and idle the bike for about 4 to 5 minutes so that exhaust gets heated up, and then I'm going to use this small wooden piece to lift this up and then finally wipe it off. So that's the procedure I'm going to follow. So please stay tuned and take a look at this, so that it might be helpful for all of us to clear out stains from our exhaust in terms of be it our shoes or be it plastic bags or be it saddle bags or whatsoever. So yeah. Alright, so guys, as you can see, I have got the silencer heated up a little bit, and then I have scraped out all the nylon or plastic, whatever was stuck. So please use a wooden block so that it's not going to cause any scratches on your exhaust. So it's all gone. So now I'm just going to wipe it off. See all this stuff. All right. Now we can turn off the bike and we can take all this off in the polish. So I'll let the bike cool for some time before applying the polish. It's a little bit hot, so I'm going to apply this metal polish, which is one of the best when it comes to polishing chrome stuff, and this is available again on Amazon. So I've been using this for many years for now. So I'm going to apply this on this and then clean it up, but I'm going to wait for some time and let this cool and then do it. Alright friends, so I've used the polish and scraped it nicely, and then now we're just going to wipe it off. Okay, hopefully it's back to what it was. So yeah, it's all gone. So this is an easy way where you can remove any of the plastic or nylon or any stuff which gets stuck to your silencer, guys. So yeah, it's spick and span. It's all gone. No traces of the saddlebag anywhere whatsoever. So yeah, so that's a small tip, guys. So you can use this procedure to do it at home. But yeah, when the exhaust is very hot, just be a little careful with it. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and have a wonderful rest of the day.